Assalamu alaikum, ninth class. Today we are doing chapter number 7, page number 147, 148 and 149. Our topic number 1 is density. Before the definition, I want to explain some examples. If we have two substance, iron and wood, is an iron is heavier than that of wood. जी स्टूडेंट, आयरन हैवियर है या फिर वुड है? It is not clear from our question because it depends upon the quantity of iron and wood. For example, if we have equal volume of wood and iron, then we can declare that iron is heavier. So to find which substance is heavier or which is lighter, we have to know the quantity under discussion. To compare two substances, to find which is heavier or which is light, we should compare by densities. So students, by knowing the densities of two substances, we can declare which substance is heavier or which is lighter. So what is density? The definition of density is density of a substance is defined as its mass per unit volume. So the mass of a substance per unit volume of a substance is called its density. This is the formula of density. So the SI unit of density is kilogram per cubic meter, as the unit of mass is kilogram and unit of volume is meter cube. From these two units, the SI unit of the density becomes kilogram per cubic meter. So by knowing the mass and volume, we can find the density. Density is equal to mass over volume. And if we have to find the mass, then the formula of mass becomes density multiply volume. And for knowing volume, mass over density. So by knowing the any two quantities, we can find the third one. Students, we have an example related to the formula of density. The statement of the example is the mass of 200 centimeter cube. This is mass of a stone is 500 grams. Find its density. We have to find the density. Both of the quantities are not in SI unit, so our answer also is not in SI unit. So mass represented by M. Mass is 200 centimeter cube. Sorry, this is volume. Volume represented by V. Volume is 2 centimeter cube and mass 500 gram. We should revise the statement. The mass of 200 centimeter cube. This is volume. 200 centimeter cube of stone. The mass of 200 centimeter cube of stone is 500 gram. This is gram. This is mass. Find its density. So this is the volume of the stone and this is mass of the stone. We have to find the density. The formula of the density is equal to mass over volume. By putting the values, 500 grams divided by 200 centimeter cube, our answer become 2.5 grams per centimeter cube. You can convert it into SI unit. In other case, this is our answer. Our next topic is pressure. The definition of pressure is the force acting normally per unit area on the surface of the body. The formula of the pressure is force per unit area. Pressure represented by P, force represented by F and area represented by A. So the SI unit of pressure is Pascal represented by PA. So 1 Pascal is equal to, as unit of force is Newton and unit of area is meter square. So the unit of pressure is Pascal, which is equal to 1 Newton per meter square. So Pascal can be defined as the pressure of a body will be 1 Pascal if it apply a force of 1 Newton on the unit area of 1 meter square. Students, our next topic is atmospheric pressure. What is atmosphere? The earth is surrounded by a cover of air is called atmosphere. Here a question arises. Explain with experiment that atmosphere exerts pressure in all directions. We can explain the answer with the experiment. Take an empty tin can. Take an empty tin can, fill it with water and place it over a flame. You take an empty tin can, open its cap, fill it with water and place it over a flame and wait until the water boils and steam expel out air from its cap. Then remove the can from the flame. Close its cap and place it under tap water. you can see that the can will squeeze in all directions. This squeeziness of the can shows that atmosphere exerts pressure in all directions, because when the steam in the can when condenses, it it left over the space from its back, due to which atmosphere inside of the can becomes less than outside of the can, and the atmosphere pressure that is outside in the can squeeze the can in all directions. So this is shows that atmosphere exert pressure in all directions. So our topic and today's your diary is page number 147, 148 and 149. Learn. Thank you.